Game might not have exited correctly the last time you played. Hacker 1. Restart your PC, close every running app completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again after reboot. 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or exe file. Select Run as Administrator, allow admin permission if Windows asks. 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, Epic, go to Subnautica 2 Properties, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 4. Delete temporary cache files. Press Windows R, type tent and press Enter. Delete temporary files inside the folder. 5. Disable overlays. Turn off Discord overlay. Disable Steam overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Restart the launcher after disabling them. 6. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app or AMD software. Install the latest GPU driver update. Restart your PC after installation. 7. Remove corrupted save data. Open the game save folder. Back up your saves to another location. Delete the latest corrupted autosave file. 8. Disable background programs. Close MSI Afterburner, Riva-Tuner, OBS, or RGB apps. Open Task Manager and end unnecessary tasks. Launch the game with minimal apps running. Check disk for errors. Open command prompt as administrator. Type chkdsk/f. Restart your PC if Windows requests it. 10. Reinstall the game cleanly. Uninstall Subnautica 2 completely. Delete leftover game folders manually. Install the game again on an SSD if possible.